when we experience trauma, like intense, meaningful experiences that we perceive as threatening over time, after which we probably didn't have the support we needed, right? It's kind of like the modern definition of trauma. That causes changes to our stress response gene expression that you can measure. If I am experiencing trauma and I haven't resolved or processed that trauma fully, that trauma is changing my stress response gene expression and what's called the epigenetic layer, which is the layer of code that's on the DNA that tells the DNA basically, which is the same in every cell of our bodies except sperm and egg. It tells the DNA to turn certain genes up or certain genes down so that skin knows to be skin and brain knows to be brain and, eyes know to be eye, because all those cells have the same core code. So the epigenetics say, turn eye up in eye and turn down skin and brain. Trauma causes changes to that layer on stress response genes. And if I don't do anything about it, I pass that down to my children. And then they pass it down to their children. And of course, there's an environmental component of trauma, like I described earlier, with seeing the fear in my parents made me afraid, right? But there's also another layer that's happening where they have a change to the way their stress response system's functioning at a core level. And that actually gets passed down, which was not known before, that was even possible.